This video presents an overview of resource efficiency. Hi, I'm Jen and I've been working with small to medium-sized businesses in Tasmania to help reduce their consumption of resources and minimise waste streams. This video is the first of a series from the Business Resource Efficiency Program delivered by Business Action Learning Tasmania in partnership with the Tasmanian Government. It is a key action from Climate Action 21, the Tasmanian Government's Climate Change Action Plan. The Tasmanian Climate Change Office is supporting small to medium-sized business owners to make informed decisions to improve their resource efficiency. 11 Tasmanian businesses participated in BREP, which included waste audits, tailored resource efficiency improvement strategies, an action learning program and one-on-one mentoring. The program had 3 objectives. 1. To help Tasmanian SMEs reduce their consumption of resources and minimise waste streams. 2. To reduce operating costs and drive productivity gains for SMEs. And 3. To provide SMEs with practical and tailored information regarding ways to improve their resource efficiency. Each business focused on barriers and opportunities to increasing their resource efficiency, using action learning to discover and implement solutions. Each video in this series shares ideas that you can implement in your business and some of the lessons we've learned from BREP. The European Commission defines resource efficiency as using the Earth's limited resources in a sustainable manner while minimising impacts on the environment. It allows us to create more with less to deliver greater value with less input. Resource efficiency considers a product's life cycle from manufacture to end-of-life disposal. It's easier to think about this as a system. At each stage of the product life cycle, the resources put into the system are measured usually in terms of labour, energy and material use, and outputs are measured in terms of the product itself, the waste created through the process and the waste created at end of life. During BREP, we worked with 11 Tasmanian businesses and explored ways to minimise the resources put into the system and tried to minimise the amount of resources lost as waste from the system at each stage of the product life cycle. And we looked at how we could extract the maximum value from the resources already in the system by keeping them in use for as long as possible through reuse and recycling. The ultimate goal is to create a closed loop. We minimise or eliminate the need for virgin materials and minimise or eliminate waste from every stage in the product life cycle. This is not immediately achievable and requires us to think quite differently about how we use materials and how we design our products and processes. However, there are some practical steps that we can take right now. In this video series, we explore ways that businesses can increase their resource efficiency. We show you how you can apply lean principles to use materials more efficiently and reduce waste in process. We give you some ideas on how to optimise your supply chain for increased resource efficiency. We explore the principles of circular economies and present things that businesses can do right now to support the development of a circular economy in Tasmania. We talk about industrial composting and how businesses can divert organic waste from landfill to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. And we present an overview of how action learning was used in BREP and provide some helpful tips for establishing self-managed action learning sets. Increasing resource efficiency in Tasmanian businesses will help drive down business costs, support business resilience, and better protect the environment. For more ideas and practical information about improving resource efficiency, watch our videos or visit the Tasmanian Climate Change Office website at climatechange.tas.gov.au or the BALT website at businessactionlearningtas.com.au.